Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, NexTutorial. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you the steps on how to get the back glass replaced on the Samsung Galaxy S10. The Samsung Galaxies are one of the easiest phones to replace the back piece. Make sure before you start to do any repairs, you want to use something like this, any eye protection. You want to make sure to use that because you don't want the small glass pieces to go in your eye while you're removing the back. Also, what you would need a heat gun because you're going to be heating up the side of like the edges of that glass, because as you see right here, this is the replacement one and that's where the glue is, so you can be able to remove it from the sides, then peel off the back, the whole back piece. It's a very easy thing to do, and you would need something like this, like clamps. So once you are done replacing the back, you just put these clamps so they can hold the back piece in place. So let's go ahead and start with the process and follow the steps. First thing we want to do is, like we said, heat up the edges of the phone, and we're going to be using this to peel off the back slowly. So let's start. So we wear the eye protection. You don't want to put it too close. Okay, now we're gonna you slide this slowly so we can remove that glue. Okay, right here we have to use the heat gun again so we can loosen up that glue. It's coming off so easy. You don't want to heat it up too much because you want to be able to hold the device, and plus you don't want the phone to overheat. So as you see right here, it came off really easy. Now this is the old back piece. We're going to go ahead and put the new one on. So now you want to make sure you take off all the extra glue that right here, kind of clean it. So when you put the new one on, it'll just be flush and in place. Okay, this is very clean. All right, just right here, small. We can reuse this. To clean it some more. Cool. As you see right here, it's completely off. We are going to put the new back piece on. So basically all you have to do is just peel off this plastic, don't forget to peel off this for the lens. Then we're gonna go ahead and put it in place. Perfect. Once you put this, you want to use these clamps basically to hold it in place. If you don't have this, you can just put it just something slightly on top to hold it in place so it won't move or anything. And you don't want to put too much pressure, so when you put these on, just a little, like just a little bit. You don't want to press too hard because you don't want to crack the back or anything. Just gently, it would just press it down just a little. So once you do the 4 sides, you'll want to let it sit there for, let's say, an hour, just to make sure it holds better in place. We're just gonna put this right here, this border. Basically like this. Oops. So this is it, guys. This concludes my tutorial for today. If you found this video helpful to you, make sure to hit the like and subscribe to my channel for more helpful videos. And thank you guys for watching. I will see you next time.